My girlfriend asked me how I do my delicious ginger and lime cheesecake. Well, the secret to the ginger space, is this. So I'll get this from Treat Kitchen in Nottingham. And as you can see, these are Christmas decorations. So what you get in here, so I'll just wash my hands. What you get in here is so I dropped this earlier, so that's why the broken one. So you get some decorations, sugar powder, string, icing thing, and lots of these ginger biscuits. Right, but I'm not going to use these for decorations because Christmas is a long way away. So this bit, okay. There's loads of biscuits. There's actually loads of biscuits in this. So I'm about 297 gram. Why 297 gram, you ask? Well, that's what they usually come in with the ginger nuts, but I think these are a lot tastier. There we go, 297. And what I've got to do with these is just crush them. I've got this neat little crushing machine. I'm going to stick that in there. I can get the lid off and give that a zap. I can do a few at a time. That's it. Right. So just want some crumbs. See, they're nicely crumbed up, so get some more of these. There we go. Let's get the rest of these done. So these are nicely blitzed now. Right, so what I need is I just need to melt some butter, and this is to make the cheesecake base. So what I need is 60 gram of plain butter. 60 gram of plain butter. These are marked out. 100. Okay, so I microwave this for exactly 2 minutes and 10 seconds. As you can see, it's nice and melted now. So all I'm going to do now, butter just to soak it all in. Put this in, a little more washing up. Okay, just mix that in. Right, okay, so that's done. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to melt. So I've got these chocolate calais from the Treat Kitchen. So what I'm going to do is just I'm just going to melt these down again. I'm going to put these in the microwave with some. Right, so that's fine as it is to put into this tray. But what I'm going to do, just to help sort of bind a bit better, is I'm going to put some of these this Treat Kitchen chocolate in there, and I love chocolate, especially since this is Belgian chocolate. And I've got a fork. Well, I've got a fork. Should have a spoon. So give that a quick stir in. Okay, let's put that into me. Just push that down so it's nice and solid. There we go. Push. solid. So what I'm going to do now is leave that to cool. You haven't got to, you can obviously add the, well, not obviously, but you can add the mixture while this is still a bit soft, but I prefer to let it cool and it gives me a chance to wash this stuff up. So I'm just going to wash up, leave this to cool, and then we'll do the cheesecake. Now we need to make the cheesecake mixture. Here's 140. That's 110, there you go. There's 160 in here. No, I'm not mentioned that I don't like this sticky stuff. 160, there you go, perfect. $110, that'll do. So again, whisk that until it's smooth. Okay, right, so again, it doesn't got to be too solid at the moment. Now we need the lime. So we have 4 limes that have been washed. All we need to do now is get the zest off the limes. Now I've got a zester here, but I tend to use the plate a bit. Get the video in there a bit. Is that the zest? I think it is. Now we just need a juice. Squeeze the juice of those 4 limes into the mixture. Right, just give my hands up quick. Alright, just got to whisk that till it gets solid. So that's nice thick consistency now, look. Okay, so we're just going to add that to our... Okay, so there's our nice chilled base. I'm just going to mix that into there. As you see, look, nice and thick. Look. You said it's nice. Got a nice thick base. You get the real taste of ginger with the cheesecake, the lime. There you go. I'll leave that about ½ hour to chill, and I'll show you this when it's done. I'll use my special spatula cutter. Oh, that's nice and thick. Look at that. Ugh. There you go, look. Nice, thick ginger and lime cheesecake.